Indy Fiber and Surface Cleaning began in 2016 in Indianapolis, Indiana, hence the name Indy Fiber and Surface Cleaning. We are a family company owned and operated by me and my husband. A couple years ago, we left the Indianapolis area and moved to the Northwest Indiana area, and now we proudly service Northwest Indiana, Indianapolis, and the Chicago, Illinois markets. Indy Fiber provides flexible scheduling, whether you need a day porter or after-hours cleaning Sunday through Saturday. Indy Fiber and Surface Cleaning can be your one-stop shop for all your needs, whether it's the cleaning of your building, window washing, carpet cleaning, strip and wax, hardwood, LVT, VCT floor cleaning, floor maintenance, disinfecting services, upholstery cleaning, or even consumable management. Indy Fiber can do it.
We understand and know that you want to work with a company you can trust. We are proud to say we are a 5-star reviewed company on Google and Facebook.